If you have ever wanted to leave your job because of your boss and not because of your work, this video is for you. Power doesn't change people, it reveals them. And today we want to talk about effective leadership and how everything changes for the team when somebody at the top abuses authority and uses power. Adrian, what are your thoughts on this topic?
Karin, perhaps we've all encountered situations when we had to deal with the type of manager who's in it for themselves. The behavior says it all. Uh, they take credit when things go well, but avoid responsibility when they don't. They shut down team members' ideas and their feedback. They use intimidating and passive-aggressive behavior. They talk more than they listen. They focus on being right rather than being effective, and so on. The examples continue. Now, this kind of behavior will lead to team members' disengagement, uh, low productivity, lack of trust amongst the team members,
Mhm.
and eventually a high turnover rate. Obviously, nobody wants that. Dealing with this kind of manager requires, first and foremost, emotional control.
Mhm.
And to remind yourself that their behavior is about them,
Mhm.
not your worth.
Mhm.
If you notice that your manager is intimidating you, you can simply say, when feedback is provided to me in this way, I cannot focus on the task, and I'd like to discuss the work itself.
Mhm.
Or if you notice passive aggressive behavior, where you get sarcastic comments and vague information, just say, I want to make sure that I understand clearly what specifically would you like me to change, or what specifically would you like me to tackle first and to focus on? Now, Karin, what piece of advice do you have for our viewers when it comes to this kind of situations?
I think you gave pretty good advice. I would say, um, really, to people that they have to learn to stand up for themselves,
Mhm.
especially if they deal with a bullying manager. Bullies tend to attack people who cannot hold their own. That's important. I would also go to the extent of an employee can say, "I don't appreciate how you speak to me right now," because nobody comes to work to be belittled or yelled at. And I want everyone to know that. I have always lived w- with the motto, love it, leave it, or change your perspective. And listen, if it's Sunday evening and you have a stomach ache because you are afraid of going to work in the moment on Monday morning, this is a pretty strong sign that something has to change. And if you are not valued in one place, it doesn't mean that you won't be valued at the next place. So, this was our message for today, and we will definitely see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.